The 2012 Toyota Tundra. With fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this truck lines up eagerly against competing models, delivering the perfect blend of power, safety, and flair. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.